Example E, 24.005 minus 13.624. So 24.005 minus 13.624. 5 minus 4 is 1. 0 minus 2 we can't do, so we have to borrow. We cannot borrow from that 0, but we could borrow from the 4. So 4 becomes a 3. That 0 will become a 10. But we need to borrow for the other 0, so it will go down to 9, and this one will become a 10. So 10 minus 2, which would give you 8, 9 minus 6, which would give you 3, bring down the decimal, 3 minus 3 would give you 0, and 2 minus 1 would give you 1. So our result, 10.381. Now we have to round to the nearest hundredth. In this case, the 8 is in the hundredths place. Look at the number to the right. That is less than 5. So our result will be 10.38. Example F, 6 minus 3.4. So we have 6 minus 3.4. To make the subtraction a little bit easier, I will make 6 6.0. That way all the digits line up. So now we begin. 0 minus 4 we can't. So 6 becomes a 5. 0 becomes a 10. So now we have 10 minus 4, which is 6. Bring down the decimal point. 5 minus 3, which is 2. So our result being 2.6. Now we want to round to the nearest hundredth. That, again, is the second digit to the right of the decimal point, which will be this one. In that case, that would be a 0. Look to the number to the right. That would be a 0. So everything will remain the same. So our rounded result will be 2.60. Example G, 2.8 times 4.5. So let's go ahead and multiply these numbers together. So we have 2.8 times 4.5. I will go ahead and multiply them the way I would normally would. And then after that, we will have to account for the decimal. So let's begin with the number 5. So we have 5 times 8, which will give you 40. So 0, carry the 4. 5 times 2, which will give you 10. 10 plus 4, which would give you 14. Now that we are done with the 5, I'll go ahead and mark that place value with an X. And now we begin with the 4. So 4 times 8, which would give you 32. So that's 2. Carry the 3. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 3 would be 11. And now we go ahead and add the numbers together. So 0, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 1 would give you 2, and then the 1. How do we account for the decimal point? We go to our numbers and count how many digits we have to the right of the decimal point. So that's 1 digit, that's 2 digits. So we should see 2 digits to the right of the decimal point. Hence, my decimal point should go right there. Now we will round our answer to the nearest hundredth. So again, the hundredths place will be the second digit to the right of the decimal. Look to the number to the right, which will be a 0. So our answer will remain the same. So our result will be 12.60.